Today, I'm here to talk about what am I reading? Scientific articles are too dense and too complicated. This really affected me when my grandma was diagnosed with lung cancer. The diagnosis was buried deep within a radiology report, filled with small print and complicated terminology. She had no idea what pulmonary adenocarcinoma was, and it took weeks for her to actually realize that she had lung cancer. But it's not the fault of the academic community. Sometimes complex ideas require complex words to express them. But this leaves behind a lot of laypeople in the process, especially in medicine. And it's not just my grandma. Research shows that low health literacy and the lack of understandable healthcare information can lead to poorer health outcomes such as higher hospitalization rates, increased emergency care use, and even reduced vaccination rates. The problem with health literacy and understanding medical information are especially pronounced in the rare disease community. It can be harder to find reliable and understandable health information relating to rare conditions. And this is not a small problem. Although individually, each rare disease affects less than 1 in 2,000 people, in aggregate, rare disease is actually quite common. According to the National Institute of Health, there are approximately 7,000 rare diseases affecting up to 25 million Americans. This brings us to the problem. How can we rapidly increase access to reliable and understandable health information for people with rare disease? My name is Kyle, and I'll be demonstrating my solution to this problem. I call it NF Simplified. NF stands for Neurofibromatosis, and it is a rare genetic disease affecting around 1 in every 3,000 people. I chose to focus on neurofibromatosis because my uncle has NF1, and like many people with rare diseases, he has trouble understanding medical literature about his condition. When experts log in, they can easily access scientific articles from PubMed and generate simplified versions using GPT-4o, the large language model. Here I'm using NeonDB, which is serverless PostgreSQLite, which I use to make my API calls from endpoint to endpoint. Then, the simplified article gets put into a pending stage. Experts are then able to verify or correct the articles, and when ready, publish them for patients to view. Users can read and search these simplified articles, as well as request for specific articles on PubMed to be simplified and added to the website. To build the website, I used a combination of HTML, CSS, Node.js, Express, Axios, the OpenAI API, along with PostgreSQLite. For this project, I have been collaborating with NF experts at the RAINS Patients Representative Group, including Professor Vanessa Merker, to generate, verify, and publish simplified articles about NF to the NF community. But if this works for the NF community, why stop there? I hope to bring this resource to as many communities as I can by applying the same technology to other medical diseases. Thank you so much for your time.